Hello everybody, welcome back. Today we'll learn about the constructor and destructor. We'll begin with the constructor. Constructor is a special method which is automatically invoked during object creation. And this is a special type of member function to initialize the data members for an object of a class automatically. And it is done when the object of the same class is created. So they have the same name as that of the class. And the constructor is invoked at the time of object creation, and it provides the data for the object. We'll learn about the characteristics. So the class name and the constructor name is same, and it comes under the public access specifier. It cannot be declared as private. Okay, and it has no return type, and it can be virtual, but it can be overloaded. So if the constructors aren't specified, the C++ compiler, it auto-generates a default constructor for objects. And there are three types of constructors. They are default constructor, parameterized constructor, copy constructor. So we learn about the default constructor in this video. And if we don't define any constructor explicitly, the compiler automatically provides default constructor implicitly. So this is the default constructor. This is the class. Inside the class, we have a public section. We have two variables. This is the default constructor. Okay, and we are initializing the values for the variables. We'll understand this with an example. We'll learn about the default constructors with a simple example. Okay. Hash include IOC, the header file. Now I'm going to have a class construct. Here, inside the public section, I'm going to declare two variables, A and B. This is the default constructor. I am initializing the values for the member variables. Okay. Using the class. So now I am going to write the object creation syntax inside the main function. Object constructs object. Okay. In order to access the values for member variables, we are using the dot operator. It is object dot A del escape sequence dot B. Okay. Now let us save. I'm writing it as default dot CPP. Now let us compile and execute the program code. C++ default dot CPP default C executable file. So the code has got compiled without any errors, and now we are going to execute it. I must get the answer as 10 and 20, which are the values that we initialized using the default constructor. See, we have got the answer as 10 and 20. Hope you are all clear with the default constructor, and in the next class, we'll learn about the remaining constructors. Thank you.